In this video, I'm going to walk you through my experience getting the battery on my iPhone 12 replaced through Apple. I'll share my experience and what you can expect. Let's start with why I needed a new battery. I'm going to open Settings, go down to Battery, and under Battery Health, you'll see it says Service. Click into it, and the maximum capacity is at 75%. Apple recommends replacing the battery once it falls below 80%. My phone still runs well, but doesn't last all day, so time for a replacement. I can request a battery replacement from here by hitting Find Your Service options. If you don't see this, I'll have a link to Apple's battery replacement page in the description box. Apple gives you two options: book an in-store appointment, which is same-day service and usually done within a few hours, or send it in by mail for Apple to replace the battery and mail it back to you. It estimates the process takes about 5 to 9 days, which is a long time without a phone. But this is a convenient option if you have a spare phone and don't live near an Apple store or authorized service provider. I'm going to choose to have it replaced at the Apple store. I'll now need to select the location for the service. Apple also includes authorized service providers, which in my area includes Best Buy, but I'm going to go directly with the Apple store. Now I'll schedule my appointment. If you're out of warranty like me, the battery replacement costs $89 plus tax, but if you have Apple Care, it should be free. Okay, my appointment is now scheduled. Before the appointment, Apple recommends knowing your Apple ID and password, backing up your data. Usually they don't wipe your phone during a battery replacement, but in rare situations where something goes wrong, there may be a chance your phone will need to be wiped. So backing up your data is recommended. And last, updating to the latest iOS. I'll see if any of these are necessary when I go to my appointment. On the day of the appointment, I got an email with a QR code to show to the staff to check in for my appointment. Once checked in, the staff had me run a diagnostic test, which checks for any issue with the phone. They had me sign a waiver and turn off Find My iPhone. Then they told me to come back in about 1 hour and 15 minutes. In reality, it took closer to 1 hour and 40 minutes for my phone to be ready, which is pretty close to the pickup time. My store was pretty busy, but it was a random weekday morning, so I think this is one of the quicker turnaround times. You can expect at minimum an hour wait to waiting for a few hours. Your wait time may vary. I paid $89 plus tax since I did not have Apple Care, and payment was due during pickup. Apple gives you a 90-day warranty on the replacement battery. So did I need to actually do all of the preparations? Here's what they actually needed. They did ask me to input my Apple ID and password, but only to disable Find My iPhone. They didn't wipe my phone, so all my data was still there, but backing up is still recommended. And I wasn't on the latest iOS. I was still on iOS 17.5.1, and at the time of this video, the latest version is iOS 18.4. They didn't ask me to update, but I can see people potentially running into problems with the diagnostic tool on a much older iOS where it may not be compatible, and in that case, you may be asked to update to the latest iOS. Now that the new battery is in, I can go to Settings, General, About, and you'll see Parts and Service History, Battery, Genuine Apple Part, and it shows the replacement date. And if I go to my battery health page, my maximum capacity is now at 100%. That's my full experience getting a battery replacement at the Apple Store without warranty. If you're thinking about doing it, I hope this helped give you a better idea of what to expect. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching.